ready.
Go. Hello. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Sarah.
I'm Matt.
On this Saturday, it's the core series. Matt's torturing me yet again. This is DeKuyper's Buttershots.
Smile, damn it. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe button and click that notification bell. Matt, let's hear a little bit about this.
All right. One of my absolute favorite college drinks was DeKuyper's Butterscotch Schnapps Liqueur. Beautiful. I don't know why there's bagpipers on this label. If someone knows, like, I guess I hadn't pulled this out in a long time. The old ones just had like butterscotch discs on it. So if anybody knows why there's bagpipers on it, let us know in the comments because I have no idea and I couldn't find it on the internet. So let me know. All right, it's 15%. It is a creamy butterscotch infused, of course, with GNS. Some awesome cocktails are the Hot Shot, one of my all-time favorites, Buttery Nipples, which is Bailey's and this stuff, Buttercup, Butter Tumbler, the Caramel Cheesecake, the Damn Buttery, and the Irish Breakfast. I think that's hilarious, personally, where they combine this with Kilbeggan and do it with a shot of orange juice. I think that's a great thing as an Irish breakfast. It's very entertaining. Yes, I drank many bottles of this in college. This is probably bottle number 10 of this I've owned. I love this stuff. One of my absolute favorite schnapps of all time. I drank so many bottles of this. And I haven't drank it now. Granted, I haven't drank this in years until we're opening it up tonight. And I'm very excited for the beautiful memories of college.
That is butterscotch candy for days. Like the old lady that's digging in her fucking purse for that candy.
The butterscotch disc,
in the middle of the movie theater.
Yep.
Ooh.
Sugar, butterscotch pudding. It is. Oh, it smells so. If you love butterscotch, you'll love this. If you don't, this is not for you.
You like butterscotch pudding?
Totally. This smells awesome. I love the way this smells.
Lollipop.
You can smell this halfway across the room, by the way, because this stuff is so potent. Oh, it smells amazing. Let's call this Memories of College. I'm going to change the name of this thing, too. Beautiful. All the ladies certainly enjoy this. We made lots of buttery nipples with this in college. And apparently they're frozen. So now I'll tell you guys fun stories.
Oh, God, it smells.
You know what this reminds me of?
What?
You know what this reminds me of?
Sugar?
Scotchies.
Was that butterscotch candy I assume?
Oh.
The cookie that your mother makes.
Okay.
Oatmeal scotchies. Oatmeal cookie with butterscotch pieces in it.
Sounds
God,
good.
so
My mom
sweet,
makes butterscotch chip cookies. And by the way, this with butterscotch cookies is awesome from previous experience. So butterscotch cookies are my favorite cookie that are homemade by my mother. It goes with this stuff. So good.
Butterscotch, your favorite flavor?
It's one of my absolute all-time. I love those little discs. I love butterscotch. It's one of my totally favorite flavors of all things candies and liqueurs. Just love butterscotch to death.
I'll make you some scotchies this year.
I could sit by the fire and drink this.
This is for you,
it's
Internet.
Awesome. Because now Will's going to gag. It very much tastes like butterscotch and butterscotch discs. And I told you it's the sugariest thing I've ever given you.
That's like straight up eating the butterscotch candies that you put in the cookie.
Yeah, and then you add like syrup in your mouth. Yeah. Butterscotch syrup.
There's less sugar in syrup than that.
No, there's no. You could put this on fucking pancakes. I guarantee it.
Living shit.
Ooh,
I think this is the most sugary thing I've ever given Will, to be perfectly honest. I think it's true.
He's gonna be wired all night.
Oh my God. I don't think I've consumed that much sugar in like months.
We give all of Will's sugar content he made up right now in one sip of butterscotch.
Pretty much.
Oh, I love it.
Do you want some?
And of course, a bottle of this costs $8.99. Of course. Which is even better. And it's worth $8.99? Absolutely. As you've just said, I've been many bottles of this been drank down over the years.
Man, to the young alcohol consumer,
it was just totally for them.
This is hands down like one of the easiest things you could consume.
You can't even find the alcohol in this.
I was going to say there's zero alcohol to that.
It makes it dangerous.
It is.
It's like drinking syrup.
Yes,
that's flavored with butterscotch. Like there's no
totally butterscotch. I mean, if you put this like to some like sodas, it would probably be really nice. Add like a little syrupiness to your soda. Be good for that too. Just as a floater. I think
it's like club soda.
I was gonna say put it in the seltzer water and make yourself a butterscotch soda.
Great. Yeah.
He said floater.
Those are good.
Are they?
Depends the kind of floater you're talking about. If it's in booze, yeah. If it's in your pool, not so much.
All right. So if you like butterscotch, get yourself some of this because that's what it is through and through.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and click that notification bell. And come hang out with us live on Mondays where we drink anything but this.
We won't come on the stream if we do.
And until next time.
Keep on crusading for the liquids in your glass.
Cheers. Whoo, man.
I love scotch. Scotch.
Here it goes down. Down to my belly.
Mm-mm.
We are ready.
Cool. Fuck.
You gotta
put it up to your nose to smell it. I can smell it from here.
I actually have multiple backup bottles of this crap.
We have to burn these gun Karens.
Only way you get all the syrup off.
Only way we're getting the syrup off is by fire.